Alright, welcome to the first installment of Mr. Vanderband's at-home art class. First thing that we are going to be doing, we're going to be building out a Google slide presentation that'll house all of your art projects for the next few weeks while you're working at home. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google Drive. If you have not done that already, head over to Google Drive, and then up in the top left-hand corner, we're going to click the plus button, and we're going to create a new slide presentation. So once you have that new slide presentation up, very first thing we're going to do, we're not going to leave it as an untitled presentation. We're going to give it a name, and you can call it sixth grade art slides. You can call it your name art slides. You could call it something else. Doesn't matter what. Just make sure you title it something. Okay. Now we have a title. We're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to pick a theme. So you can scroll through and pick any of these themes that you want. It is totally up to you. I'm going to go with this one. I think that one's a good one. And now we're going to click here. We are going to, on this first title slide, we are going to give it a title. So there you go. So there is title, and then underneath it, I'm going to put my name, or for you, you put your first name, last name. Then we'll put your grade underneath it. So that is all that I'm looking for on that title slide. So come up with some sort of fun title here, and then your name, your grade, and then you are done with that slide. Next, we are going to build out this entire presentation and get it set up and ready to go for putting in your artwork for the next few weeks. So here, top left hand corner, little plus symbol, we're going to click that. So it'll give us a new slide. We're going to go in, we're going to title it week 1. Okay. And then to make the other slides, what you can do, you could go in and duplicate this slide. You could use your keyboard and hit Control Copy, so Control V for paste. So that's Command or Control C, Control V, paste that in there. You could do that and build out multiple slides, and then just go in and change the weeks. We'll go in, we'll change all the weeks. So we will go all the way up to week 6, and that takes us to the end of the school year. So now I've got my slides in there, and we're going to go back to slide week 1, and all that I want you to put in there on week 1 is I want you to write something that you have done while you are at home, during this, pandemic quarantine, like stay-at-home order. So I just want to know one thing that you've done while you've been at home. So week 1, so I've been taking my dog for a walk. And I've been spending time with my kids. So that's what I've been doing. So week 1, that's all I want you to do is put that in there. That way I know that you've followed along, you've done the assignment, and you've gotten everything ready to do your art projects for the next few weeks. And then, if you would like, you are welcome to work ahead into week 2. All that information will be on our Google Classroom page.